What is up, guys? Today's focus is exactly what you see here is a power steering cap for the Honda. Now, the Honda for some reason has a soda cap on there. That's not cool. So good thing I noticed it as I was looking at the engine view. So we're gonna replace that. It was a couple bucks at your local parts store like AutoZone. It has a lifetime warranty. But somehow that part has a lifetime warranty for like $4. So definitely worth the price. We're also going to clean most of this. So what we'll do is we'll keep this cap on here for now. You know, it's pretty much covering anything that's going in. So we're just gonna grab maybe like some hot warm water and we're gonna damp a towel, clean it, or use something else, any method you'd like to clean this. But as long as you clean this, you know, that way you could see all that lettering and writing that's on there. It's gonna be it's gonna look nice. We want this to look nice, so let's go ahead and clean that before we replace the power steering cap. Almost there. Bam. So cool, huge difference that it's done. I even kind of wiped this down a little bit. It's not clean. I'll clean that later. Looks way better than it was. It was dusty, but look at that, huge difference. So now that we've cleaned this, we're able to take a better look at some of the writing. For example, it says here, use only Honda power steering fluid. How many times have I seen people where they know they drive a Honda as well as an Acura, which is pretty much a Honda, and they buy just regular power steering fluid? You know you're supposed to buy Honda fluid. All it takes is a simple time just to read, a couple seconds, just to read the lettering. You know, same thing like for Toyotas. People think that most Toyotas use regular power steering fluid. Power steering on the Toyota uses ATF, which is transmission ATF. So, you know, people get surprised, like, you sure? I'm like, bro, and and I show a lot of my customers, you know, when I remove the cap, I show them the cap. It says right there, Dex 3 or use ATF, and they're like, oh yeah, oh. So back at the power steering, good thing we cleaned it, because now the fuel level's back there. The fuel level, wow. Brain fart. The reservoir level is right there, the low and high, and sure enough, the fluid is low. So before I fill this, obviously I'm gonna have to buy Honda power steering for this. You can find this at your local auto parts, so you don't have to go to Honda. Some people do. Hey man, Honda power steering fluid works perfectly fine. The one they sell at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Pet Boys, etc. Before I add new power steering fluid, I'm gonna use that turkey baster where it sucks up. We're gonna remove all that dirty fluid that's on there and just add new fluid. Might as well. It's pretty easy. All you do is remove the cap and you're able to stick that all the way in there, slide that all the way in. It fits no matter how big the hole is. Yep. Alright, so on to grabbing the new cap. Cool, new cap is here. Let's go ahead and open that. That's open. Let's go apply it to the vehicle. Boom, done. Easy. That's all it takes. Now, obviously, replacing the cap is easy, but how about taking the time and cleaning it, figuring out where your fluid level is at? Good thing I cleaned it because it was so dirty, I couldn't see where the fluid level was at. So I saw that the fluid level is low. It's right under the lowered level. So not only are we going to buy new power steering, we're going to replace that inside that reservoir. So we got a cap, lifetime warranty, $4 at AutoZone. Pretty good price. We went from that to having this, a sody cap. Are you serious? That looks way better. So guys, take the couple seconds to clean that off and do what you gotta do. Thanks. Subscribe, like, share the video, comment. Peace.